Take a look at the cloud scan. You can see the thicker cloud lining up, waiting to come in at us now. This belt of thicker cloud here bringing some rain at the present time into the westernmost side of Ireland. If you zoom in, we can take a close look at that. Not a bad end to the day across much of central and southern parts of England. The thicker cloud behind me, let's take that away. We can see from the latest radar picture the rain extending up the western side of Ireland, some showery outbreaks as well, pushing a little bit further north through into the northern and western regions of Scotland. But I think for the bulk of the country, it's not a bad evening to end the day. Fine, dry, some good sunshine in the south, but that rain in the north and west. And that's going to continue to work its way eastwards as we go through the night, moving across parts of Scotland. I think we're going to see bits and pieces of rain into eastern Scotland, through into Cumbria and perhaps into northwest Wales by the morning tomorrow. Not too cold tonight, certainly less chilly than last night, probably down to about 6 in the coldest spots in the shelter glens in the north there, otherwise 9s to 10s sort of lowest figures in many areas. And that's how the weather map is for tomorrow. This weather front bringing the rain tonight, gradually edging its way eastwards throughout the day, further systems lining up to bring the wet and windy weather for remaining parts of the week. So it's certainly a cloudy and wet start today for Scotland through into Northern Ireland. The cloud thickening up in the western side of Wales into southwest Britain there, bringing some showery outbreaks. There will be some heavy bursts. There could be a chance of thunder developing as well. But for the eastern central parts, I think mostly a dry and bright Sunday morning. Clouding over then as we go through into the afternoon. That cloud may be thick enough to bring a shower into central and southeastern regions by the end of the day. At the same time, things are going to brighten up across the western side of Scotland and through into Northern Ireland, bringing some showers, and those in fact could be heavy as we go through into the afternoon and into the evening time. The temperatures, well, pretty similar to those of today. At best, probably around 22 degrees in the southeast here. Elsewhere, 18 to 19 takes us up into the mid-60s Fahrenheit. Now moving on to Wednesday, one front out of the way, the next system out in the mid-Atlantic coming in fairly quickly, bringing a change, bringing some wet and windy weather, more rain.